Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm gonna showing you how you can research keywords for your website by using SEMrush tool. This tool is very important and very helpful for AI or manual or everything. If I go to my website, you can see this website is helping those kind of people who don't have any time to do their manual SEO for their website. If you want to do your website SEO just using AI, and if you don't want to do the manual SEO for your website, then I'm recommending you to use this website and boost your website just in a second. Okay, just you will put your email here and just start for €1, and then you will put your website, and then you have a 7 days trial. If you feel your website is improving, your keyword research and everything is improving, then you can go through others packages. Okay, so thank you very much. Now let's discover the ideas. So first of all, you need to enter the SEMrush tool, and after that you need to log in here. Then you can see the keyword research and keyword overview, keyword magic tool, keyword strategy builder, and everything. Okay, so first of all, I will view the keyword overview. So you can see your seed keywords. You need to add here your seed keywords. Like my website is helping those kind of people who has website and want to like website SEO. So I'll do here website SEO with AI. So this is my keyword, and you can see this is too complex. Okay, so I'll search with this, and I'll also enter my domain here, and after that you can see the US. Okay, so US is the country, and select the location. US is the language, and here is the location option. You can select the location, and also after that you can click on the search, and you can see the get free trial, or I'll just search here personal, and also I'll get the trial if I want, but I'll not do it from here. Just I will see the keyword. Okay, so I'll again search here website SEO, then I'll click on search. Let's see, here is the volume of this keyword. You can see the website SEO overview. So this is my seed keyword, and if I show you, here is the volume of this keyword in United States, global volume in like all of the countries, and here is the informational and commercial and also CPC, everything you can view here, and competitive density. Then you can see ads, how many ads are running according to these keywords. Keyword difficulty is 99%. So here is the keyword variation, everything is your hand. You can see some of the keywords are like this, your related to your keywords. You can see the website SEO checker, SEO website SEO, and everything. So this is the full overview. And if you can see the SERP analysis means search engine result. Okay, here you can see the search engine result, some of the website are coming from, and you can see the stream and everything. So you can see the view all keywords, like 2000 plus keywords in front of you. If you go to the keywords, then you can see the one by one. Okay, and if you want to see lots of keywords by like your own filters, then you need to buy the purchase or buy the paid plan from there. Okay, so now you can see the keyword strategy builder. So if I go to the keywords, there is another tool, keyword magic tool. If I go to the keyword magic tool and also add here the same keyword website SEO, and then also select the US language or location, then click on the search, then you can see the same keywords, and also they give us the magic related information. You can see the broad match keywords, you can get the broad match, exact match, then also phrase keywords. So I'm in here broad match keywords. You can see here the broad match keywords, like related. Broad match means your keywords related, your seed keywords related. You can see all of the keywords are related to your seed keywords, website SEO, everything SEO and website, these two words is there. This called broad match. Okay, now if I go to the phrase match, you can see the phrase match keywords also there. And if I go to the exact match, you can see the exact match mean your keywords well related to your other keywords. Okay, so if I go to the volume, you can see there is a lots of volume, and keyword difficulty is right now here CPC, So and also last time I updated is last week, this week, last week, this week. So you can take those kind of keywords for your website SEO if you feel this keywords is okay. Okay, here is the question related keywords. If you see the question related keyword like what is website SEO, how to improve SEO, you can view the keywords here. And if you want to the full list, then you can select the full list, or low hanging fruit, then you can see commercial, AI optimization related, everything. This one is AI optimized. Okay, so you can use this. And here is the keyword strategy builder. Just put your list here, and like website SEO is my list, like this is my seed keywords. Here you can see enter your seed keywords and then create list. It will create a list for you with your website. Okay, you have being a sample list. You can see here is the sample list keywords. And if you go to the down, you can see here are the keywords for your website, keyword difficulty, and here are the all of the keywords that are related to your seed keywords. Okay, so if you want to add the list, add keywords option, or share, you can with someone. Now position tracking. Position tracking is very important. How much your position right now, so just enter your domain here. Here you can see I'll set up my domain here, just set up tracking. So they are asking to go to the plan, because I am using this free plan for lots of time. So if you want to do the paid plan, then you can, or you can check it after 24 hours. After 24 hours they will give you a chance for one time. Okay, here you can see you have reached limit of one project available for free user. Can you see that? So I can be available tomorrow at the same time. Organic traffic insight, same, just enter your domain. I hope this will enter a valid domain. Just remove the HTTPS, then get inside. You can see they will give me the organic traffic, how much organic traffic I am getting for my website. And you can see organic traffic is 0%, organic paid keywords, and also here is the visit traffic analytics. You can see my traffic analytics is 116 million, unique visitors 63 point, page visit, average page visit, bounce rate, everything is there. Okay, so this is my SEMrush data for this website, and everyone is visiting my website. And also I have lots of visitor in December and November and January and also March 25. So hope you are familiar with this, and also you understand everything. And if you feel this video is important, just hit the subscribe button, then let us know if you have any question. Thank you.